If you would like to see how I achieved this beautiful protective style on my short fussy natural hair using the best time-saving crochet braids hack with this hair that I bought for $5.20, then definitely keep on watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Luvs and I am a computer engineer who just loves to do her hair. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back to the family. And if you're new here, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button because over here on this channel we slay on a budget, okay? So a few weeks ago, I saw this mind-blowing crochet hack all over the internet that allows you to do your crochet braids in the blink of an eye. And I was like, where was this hack when I needed to run out of the door and I had no idea of what to do with my hair because it was so good to be true. So I decided to try it out and see for myself if it actually works, and I was mind blown. So I'm starting off with clean and stretched hair. After stretching my hair, I went ahead with my rat tail precision comb to part my hair and also used my shine and jam in the red jar to kind of define my parts. So to create the base for this style, I divided my hair from ear to ear and kind of clipped the back down with some croc clips. So for the front of my hair, I made vertical rows like so, divided each row into smaller sections one at a time, secured each box or section with rubber bands. Once I was done tying the hair with rubber bands, I twisted the hair and added it to the next section behind it and just kind of repeated the same steps until I got to the end of each row. However, if you don't want to use rubber bands, feel free to go ahead and just braid your hair and you'll be good to go. Now, because of the size of the crochet extension that I had, I should have done 4 rows on each side of my head, which would have been 8 rows from ear to ear. But I got carried away and forgot that my extensions were quite big and made 6 rows on each side instead of 4. So please make sure that the bigger your braids, the bigger your parts, and vice versa, and you'll be good to go. So now that I'm done with the front, let's proceed to the game-changing part, okay? So the first thing I'm going to do is make big parts behind like so, and the good thing with this is that, girl, your parts don't have to be perfect. So as you guys can see, I'm done parting my hair just like I saw them doing the video. But now we have a problem, and that's because this hack requires you to braid both sides of your hair together after attaching your extensions, and my hair is actually short. So to enable me do that, I just added some random leftover braiding hair, applied shine and jam to my actual hair and braided my hair like so. So now that our braid is ready, let's put this hack to test. So the hair that I'll be using is called Bella Collections Crochet Extension, and I got this in 28 inches. They had just 2 packs of color 1 left and 1 pack of color 1B/T27. Each pack of hair has 2 bundles and each bundle has 40 pieces of hair, so 80 pieces per pack. And because I used 3 packs, I had about 120 pieces. So to achieve this hairstyle with this hack, guys, you'll need a beader, and it looks like this. I got mine from the collab I had with Timu last year. So to install the braids, attach the hair to the beader one by one through the crochet loop like so. Once you attach the crochet hair, insert your index finger to the loop of the beader and secure the hair with your thumb to prevent the hair from sliding out. Once the hair is secured, bend your anchor hair like so, insert it through the end of your beader and pull it out. Once you pull your anchor hair out of the end of the loop of the beader like so, slide the crochet extension out and also pull the end of your braids as well as your beader out like so, and that's it. Now for the first row at the back, I attached 4 pieces of hair and secured the hair like so to prevent the crochet hair from falling out, and repeated the exact same step on the other side. I went ahead and tied both ends of the anchor braids with a rubber band. Meanwhile, if you've made it this far and you are still not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, please don't skip the ads, because for every ad you skip, your girl's not gonna get paid. So please make sure you watch all the ads to the end. Okay, just take it as your way of saying thank you for this tutorial, and girl, here are your hugs, here are your kisses, okay? So now that I'm done with the first row, I'm going to go ahead and repeat the exact same steps in the next row. However, once I'm done attaching the crochet extension to the anchor braids on both sides, I'm going to go ahead and add the anchor braids from the row beneath and secure all 3 pieces together like so with a rubber band and make a 3-strand braid. And I promise you, once you do that, your extensions will be secured to the guts. So now I'm going to go ahead and let you guys see a couple more examples, and I'll be right back. So now I'm done with the back, and I kid you not, it took me less than 30 minutes to install the hair at the back. And after I was done braiding the last anchor braid, I just tucked it underneath my braids at the back with my crochet needle. However, I kind of like lost that footage. So it's time to install our crochet braids at the front where we have our rubber bands, and I'm going to show you how to do this step by step to perfection. So the first thing you want to do is insert your crochet needle underneath your hair like so. Place the loop of your extensions into the hook and close the latch. Slide the crochet needle out to the other side. Once you do that, you want to go ahead and slide your hair down the crochet needle like so. Once you're done with that, place the end of your extensions in the hook of your crochet needle. Close the latch, pass the hair through the loop of your extensions, and pull the hair until it is flat and secure to your scalp. As you guys can see, this was so easy, okay? And the hair looked beautiful. So I went ahead and added some accessories to my hair, laid down my edges with the red shine and jam for a $5 hairstyle, and this hack that isn't time consuming at all. Girl, I would give this a 10 over 10, okay? So for those of you who have been struggling with trying to get the hang of this hack, I hope my explanation was simple, detailed, and clear enough, okay? Please go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section if you'll be trying this out. Also give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family if you found it helpful. Finally, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel once again if you are new here, and also turn on your notifications so you get notified when I post my next tutorial. Okay, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Till then, bye guys. Mwah. So I was on on Instagram the other day and I saw a reel by this lady right here. I've forgotten her name, but the second I start editing this video, I'm going to kind of like put a screenshot of her Instagram page here, and I was like, what in the hell is this? Then just as if God and the entire universe was talking to me at the same time, because the second I went on YouTube, I saw that another person that kind of like reposted, like kind of not reposted, but had actually recreated that same video, and immediately my head went bonkers. I know a good hack when I see one, right? Because I was like, this is so good to be true. If you're a hair influencer, if you're a YouTuber, brands literally send you hair ranging from like human hair to synthetic hair, wigs and whatnot. So I went through my stash and I just couldn't find the right crochet hair for this tutorial. I wanted something that was actually long, like ass length long, not like bra length long. So I went to my local market and then I saw this hair by a company called Bella Star. Guys, I've never in my life heard about this company. This is not a sponsored, like a sponsored tutorial. I bought this hair with my money. I was seeing it for the very first time. The brands that are actually really popular in our Nigerian local markets are like Expression, Lush, Darling and whatnot. So see this company called Bella Star, I was like, okay, I've never heard about them, but the hair was giving. I sort of kind of like preferred this hair to the hair that I saw from like the more popular brands, because there's a way the ready-made crochet hair used to look. I don't know if it's just me, they kind of like look plasticky. They don't look like hair that was made from like actual braiding hair. They had 2 packs of color 1 and 1 pack of this one right here, which is like color 1T/27. So I got the 3 packs, guys. I got 1 pack of this hair for 3,000 naira. Hold on, today is November 6th 2024, so you guys can have an idea of how much it cost me to get 3 packs of this hair. So I got this hair for 3,000 naira, and going by the exchange rate of today, $1 is equivalent to like 1,730 naira. So 1 pack of hair cost $1.73, and because I got 3 packs of hair, this entire hair on my head cost $5.02. So if I was purchasing this hair from my local beauty supply store in USD, I would have paid $5.02. Maybe it would be more expensive in your country, I don't know. And if I don't see this exact hair, I'm going to go ahead and link something very similar. I don't know if they have an online presence. Bella Star crochet braids. So I couldn't find them online. However, I'm going to link something very similar just so that if you want to recreate this hairstyle, you'll be good to go. The thing with this hack is that you don't need this exact hair to kind of like recreate the tutorials. So say for example, like that particular crochet hair that you like, or the one you have lying in your room, lying in your closet, in your wardrobe, lying in your cart, go ahead and buy it and try this out, and I promise you, you will not regret it. It took me about 30 minutes to part and do the back of my hair. If I were to do like individual crochet, guys, you guys know that that wouldn't have been possible. So when I tell you that this hack is worth trying, believe me, this hack is worth trying. I went ahead and added some accessories. Some of them I got in pure packages, like this one right here that has this kind of like shellfish thingy, which I really like, was in a pure package that I received from Timu last year, the collab that I had with Timu. And then this one here that has like rhinestones, I got this on AliExpress. This I got in a pure package, and like the one behind I got from my local market for like 300 naira. So the thing with crochet hair is that the bigger the size of the hair, the bigger your parts. But the pattern that I have going on here in front is actually meant for like small to medium braids, and this is actually big. Each pack had like 2 bundles, right? So each bundle had like 40 strands of like the pre-made crochet twist. It does feel a little bit heavy, and that's because I kind of like used too much hair. I should have used like 2 packs and I would have been fine, but I used 3. I have been going to bed for the past 3 days without any hair bonnets, because let's be real, the hair is so full that I can't fit it into like any of my bonnets. The only thing that I feel like would work for this hair right now is maybe tying it down with a scarf, and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go to bed like that, because in like 2-3 days this hair is gonna be off from my head. That's because, like, guys, look at, you guys have been bombarding me with so many video requests and I don't even know where to start from. So I'm gonna take this hair out tomorrow just so that I can give you guys what you guys actually want. Like I told you guys, here on this channel we slay on a budget. So if you're looking for a channel where you're not going to spend so much money trying to look good, guys, welcome to my channel. So I hope you guys found this helpful. My hair is giving, my hair is pretty. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Till then, bye guys.